Alright, day 2. I've got some grinding to do on this guy. The spine's a little bit very much too thick. I'm gonna hammer part of that out still. I'm gonna get a bit more length. But I'm having a hard time seeing it, so I want to get rid of some of this stuff here, the extra steel. Maybe shape it a little bit. So I'm gonna take it to the grinder, heat her up, and get back onto the end. So, day 2. It's day 3. I just pulled my blade out of the vermiculite. It's been annealing for however long it took for the metal to cool down. And I'm just going to set where I'm going to drill some holes. Alright, so I decided to do a little bit more profiling, just like on the spine over the handle, because I want to make sure the holes are really well lined up when I go to drill the holes. Something that if your holes are off just a little bit, everything kind of looks messed up. And I'm going with 6 holes, 6 holes. So I want everything to be nice and clean. So I'm gonna make sure that I drill them really well. So a bit of profiling, then drilling. It shouldn't take very long. It's a 36-foot belt. And it hogs.